In today's video, we're going to use the Paint software to make our logo for our project. So here I've opened the Paint software, and here we have the colors group. We're going to choose this color black. Then in the shapes group right here, I'm going to choose this rectangle. I'm going to click on rectangle. Then I'm going to use my left mouse button to click and hold and draw a rectangle right here. All right. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put the name of my YouTube channel in this box, right? So I'm going to go to the tools and I'm going to click the A for the labeling of our logo here. And I'm going to click right here inside the box, right? Or it's too large, so I'm going to change the font size to about 12. Let's change this to 12. All right, here we are. I'm going to center this. I'm going to type, I'm going to press caps on the keyboard. I'm going to type CAD, enter, with, enter, Mr. Hugh. All right, now I'm going to change the color here. So I'm going to select these words and I'm going to put it in red. Then I'm going to bold it. Then I'm going to make it, I'm going to italic, use italic, yes. We're going to make the font a little bit bigger. So I'm going to go to 14. All right. And I'm going to center it. So I move my cursor until I see the cursor change. I'm going to center it like that. Or I can go a little bit bigger. So I'm going to change it to 16. All right. Let's go up to 18. All right. So there it is now. Let me go up to 20 and see how. Good. So here's the right size here. I'm gonna draw a circle to represent the some gears. I'm gonna come up to the shapes and I'm gonna click this oval here and I'm gonna click here. I'm gonna change the color to blue. All right, and here now, right, this is our gear, right? And what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put some, oh, let's do it again. So I'm gonna click here. I'm gonna move it, resize it. All right. Or click outside. Or what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some lines here so that it resembles a gear, right? So draw a line there, draw a line here. I'm gonna draw another line here. All right, gonna draw another line here. Gonna draw another line there. Draw one there, one there, one there. And that is how I'm going to represent my gear, right? This one, all right? Now the next thing I'm going to put a little triangle. Good triangle right here to balance the design. All right, so there's our logo. And what we'll do now, if you're happy with the logo, then I will go to File, Save As. I'm gonna choose the format in which I want to save my logo. Then I will save it as CAD with Mr. Hugh logo design. And this is how you could use Paint Now, when you open the file, what you'll see is that the logo is too small. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna crop it, right? So we're gonna select our logo, then we're gonna select crop. What we're gonna do, we're gonna crop it right here, right? And then when we save it now, file save as, select the format, gonna call this design 2. And this is how you would save your logo that you designed in Paint. So this is how you could make your logo for your project.